Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today in this video I want to talk a little bit of protecting your paint, your front part of Tesla Model 3 or whatever car you have, Tesla Model S, X, or can be other car as well, but in my case the Tesla Model 3 front bumper, the hood, the headlamps and the fog lamps, and also the whole front part of the car. And also I want to talk a little bit about protecting the edges, the down edges of the car, right there where the paint can be rusted very fast and the paint chips can be added some problem. So first time, let's start with what I did and how I protect it, and the cheapest mode that I find to protect the Tesla Model 3 and the front of the car. And also I will give you the link in the description where I buy all the stuff that I use, and let me show you how I do it. In the video I will show you how I do it, and then if you want to buy it you can use the link. If you are in Europe, there I think is the most cheap place where you can buy. Also I recommend it to use the 3M paint protection film, the Pro, I think 3M Pro paint protection film. This is the best on the market. I think it's the newest one on the market, and it's a little bit more flexible than before one. This one, the new one, it's very easy to install. You can do it yourself. You don't have to go to a garage to pay like 3, 4, 5,000 to paint protect your car, because we all know all this front part will be full of stones in 1 year or 2 years. So if you want to protect it for a long time, this is the best way. Even those headlamps here, they will get yellow with time. They will get a lot of stones and chips on them, and they will be eventually have to be changed, or they look not so good. Even the hood here will be full of chips up here, the bumper down here as well, and even this fog lamp black stick here will be broke with time, and you don't want this front bumper to be full of stones. So let me start to show you first time how my car look after I did it. I did it for the first time, so it's the first time when I do that. I didn't have any help. I didn't do it perfectly. I did it in the cold weather, so it's not recommended to do it in the cold weather because the paint protection film is not so flexible. I recommend it to do it in hot, when it's hot outside over 20 degrees. Then the paint protection film, it's flexible and it's easy to install even on the hard bumpers like this one here. I have to tell you, I installed it from 2 or 3 parts. So one part is the upper part. Just let me go and show you guys. So I installed just the half of it. Just I cut it. I cut the down part and I install it separately. The down part and upper part I install it from one piece, this part, and up there I put another piece. So I do it from 3 pieces. The bumper, because it was very hard to do it in the cold weather, and I recommend it to be very hot outside and to install it when it's hot, because it's much more easy. And you need help. 2 persons have to do that. You have to stretch it, you have to pull it, and then it will go very good. But I do it from 3 part because in the summer I want to take it out the next summer. So maybe for 6 months it will be great, but in the summer I will take it out, the bumper, and I will make it again. But surprisingly, I make myself the hood. I make myself, and it's work perfectly. It's just perfect. I'm happy with it. Probably I will take this out as well, but I'm not sure. If it's doing great, I will probably leave it for longer, maybe 2-3 years, and then I do it again. This new protection film, paint protection film, you have like 10 years warranty, and you can leave it for 5-6 years without any problem. But I will probably change it because I want to make it perfectly in the summer. In summer, the film will stretch better and it will look perfect. So right now, yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the hood, but it can be better than that. So yeah, you can see for yourself from the closer. Sometimes it has some points and some bubbles right here if you look closely, but for me I don't care. If you look from here, from 1-2, you don't even notice. You can see here is normal paint and there is the paint protection film. You don't even see the difference. Again, the same thing with the headlamps. If you look closely, they look very well, not so bad, but it has some little problems. For example, here maybe I will take it out in the summer, maybe not, but I think I do a great job, because if you look from here, nobody come close to your car to look at it and to say, oh, what do you have here? You have paint protection film. But if you look from here, it's look perfectly. You don't even see the difference between them, and you don't have to pay so much money for a job that you can do it yourself in one day. So I recommend it to buy yourself and install yourself. And yeah, I will leave it the link in the description if you want to do that, and I will show you also the whole process of how I do that. And if you want to do it yourself, you can do it, but in the next images in the video I will show you the process. I will show you some image how I install this paint protection film and how you can do it. And yeah, if you like it, you can try it. If you don't like it, you cannot try it. But yeah, by the way, if you want to do it, just this is the process. This is the cheapest way to paint protect your car. And also, by the way, I almost forget to tell you something. You have to add the paint protection down here as well, on this down part. I didn't do it yet. Now I have an old paint protection. I have to take it out and I have to install it again. But this part is very important, and this one too. When I have time, when it will be hot, maybe in the summer, I wait a little bit until summer and then I install it. Maybe I want to make the whole car alone, so I will try to make the whole car in the summer when it will be like 30 degrees or more, and will be longer days, and then I will do the whole car. And I think with $500, $600, you can do the whole car with, if you buy it yourself, the best quality paint protection film. And I will use this 3M Pro series, if I am not wrong. It's the last one. It's the better. It's very easy to stretch it, not like the Chinese one or stuff like that. So anyway, that was the video. Link in the description. Check out my other videos if you want to see more videos with other new cars on the market. And also, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Yeah, share it, like it. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful for you, and I wait you in the next video. Bye, guys.